Look at all these nails. Pat, tell me about these nails. What do you think's going on here? What's with the nails? Huh?
I'm the idiot carpenter, that's what.
Oh, come on. Tell me all about it. How many nails should there be per board?
Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. You can film that. Look at this. Look at that shit. Really? You're telling me? Really? And the glue and the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 freaking nails. And glue. Yeah.
Is that's not enough? That's too many?
Oh, that's perfect.
It shouldn't be that many, is what you're saying.
Well, who's the idiot that did it? That's the question.
Pat?
Alright, were they really concerned that it was going to fall off the wall? Was that really the concern? Because of the TV?
How many should have been there, you think? How many's allowed? Is it like 6 or 8? 6?
Well, you don't need 25.
You don't need 25 or 26? Okay. All right, so that's the carpenter tip of the day. You don't need freaking 25.
You know, you can go 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3, and then every 2 feet. That's all you need with the glue. But they wanted to make sure it wasn't going anywhere.
It's not going nowhere.
And the screws. Oh, and that they could have found the studs, but
they didn't want to. That's too much work. Way too much work. Jeez.
That's enough. You can stop now.
All right, tip of the day.
That was a tip of the day.
Pat's tip of the day.